Hi there, friends. Doing another unboxing here. Today we are checking out a couple of paper towel holders. Alright, so let's check this out. They're both the same. I got two of them. So anyways, what we're looking at is a stainless steel product here. If I can get it out of the bubble wrap, I would. Is this a joke? Is it a bubble wrap bag with no hole? Is it? Okay. Oh, I'm not going to be defeated by a little bag of bubble wrap. I mean, come on. Anyways, there we go. All right. So this is by M Design Solutions to organize your space. So this is a stainless steel one, and it comes with a couple of screws and some sheetrock mounts. I'm not going to use those. I like the sheetrock ones that screw in. They're a lot more sturdy than these ones seem to fall out when I pound them in and do that way. So you know what, I'm going to go get a paper towel, see how well this fits in there. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. A little bit of this is the biggest paper towel roll I could find. This is a quite large one. It seems to be kind of snug, but able to dispense without tearing, which is good. I still have the screws up here and the other little items, so that might be hindering it a little bit. Okay, so now that we know that the paper towel actually works in there, we can talk a little bit about the construction. It seems to be just maybe molded out of a single piece of, I believe to be stainless steel. It seems to be quite durable, and we will be doing an install video here shortly. So that is that for this. I'm obviously going to leave a link in the description below. I'm just looking at this. It looks slightly bent right there. Seems to have a little abnormality in there. That might be a reason why. It's I can bend this back quite easily, so not a problem. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this little unboxing here. I'll be doing a install video and a final review soon, so stay tuned for that. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.